In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create manual orders in Shopify for the year 2025. Whether you're managing a small business or a larger online storefront, mastering the art of creating manual orders can greatly streamline your operations, allowing you to offer efficient and personalized service to your customers. Let's dive in and take you step by step through the process. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. Navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll see several options. Click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your current orders, both pending and completed. It's essentially your command center for managing customer purchases. On the Orders page, look for the Create Order button. Clicking this will open up a new interface where you'll be able to assemble a manual order from scratch. Think of it as building a custom order sheet without needing the usual customer interactions on your website. Next, you'll want to start adding products to the order. By clicking on Products, you can access your entire product catalog. Here, you can search for the items that the customer wishes to purchase. Once found, select each product and it will automatically be added to the order. This is particularly useful for compiling large orders or special requests that don't come through regular channels. After selecting the products, you can click on Notes. It's always a good idea to add any relevant information or special instructions that may be needed to finalize or fulfill the order. These notes are visible only to you and your team, helping ensure smooth and correct processing. Next, you'll need to associate the order with a customer. Simply click on Customer to either search for an existing customer in your database or to enter details for a new customer. Linking orders to customers aids in tracking order history and provides better service through personalized communication. With customer details in place, it's time to handle the financials by clicking on Payment. Here, you'll define the payment terms. You can record payments instantly or choose to send an invoice. Shopify's flexible payment options allow you to cater to customer preferences, whether that's pay immediately, on delivery, or through installment plans. Then, navigate to Markets to specify where the order will be fulfilled. This is particularly crucial for businesses operating in multiple regions, ensuring that you're aligned with market-specific shipping or tax requirements. Next comes currency selection. By clicking on Currency, you can set the appropriate payment currency, especially useful for international customers or when dealing in multiple currencies. Finally, finish up by clicking on Tags to assign relevant identifiers to the order. Tags can be incredibly useful for organization and analysis, providing an easy way to filter and sort orders in your records. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on creating manual orders in Shopify. By mastering these steps, you can ensure that each transaction, whether standard or bespoke, is handled with precision and care, helping build a seamless experience for your customers.